Hey you guys, if y'all would like to see how I went from this, completely hot mess, old wash and go, to this super cute, sleek, top knot bun with baby hairs, like I'm going to show you how I got all of that, just keep watching. So for this style, all you're going to need is a spray bottle with water, some oil. I'm using just a random oil mix, but whatever oil will work. Some gel. I'm using the olive oil eco style of gel, but whatever gel you use will be fine. A hard bristle brush and a toothbrush for your edges, and little accessories, so like bobby pins and little clippies to hold your hair in place. And you're going to need some ponytail holders. To start off, the very first thing you're going to want to do is take whatever style you had before down. I am working on the old wash and go, so that's just the old pineapple. This just got completely dry and nappy. So since it was dry and nappy, I'm going to spritz my whole perimeter with water. And water is just always a good base to have with any style, so yeah. And other than gel, this oil is the only other product I'm going to use. And I think oil is always a great base for any sleek style. So I just applied that also all over the perimeter of my head. And yeah, I just love doing that before applying any gel. And before I go in with my brush, I'm going to just spritz my hair one more time. So that way the brush won't be so, harsh. And then I'm going to just start brushing my hair up in the position I would like for my bun to be. And once I have my hair pretty much placed where I would like it, that's when I start to add the gel. And I don't add too much at first because I did have oil on my hair prior, and that kind of holds my hair too as well. So from that point, after adding my gel, I just continuously brush my hair up into the perfect position and continuously get my hair as slick as possible because you want it to be, obviously. And then having a gel on it really helps because the gel actually has a lot of slip of its own. And right here, I'm basically just showing y'all how it's easy to get them lumps up there right before your ponytail goes into the ponytail holder. So I'm just showing y'all that I'm obviously sleeking it down more. So now I'm going to wrap my hair, wrap the ponytail holder around my hair 3 times. But on that 3rd time, I'm only going to pull it through halfway. And as you see, it really doesn't take me long to form my bun. And this is just the easiest way for me to do that. So now this is the part where the bun really starts coming together, and it's really the fun part. So since I pull my hair only halfway through, I'm going to take that little hangout section, I guess, and just start bobby pinning it around the bun, continuously brush up flyaways as I go, add gel, add those clips like that I showed y'all in the beginning to like parts is like kind of lumpy, so like in the back of the bun where I may have missed a few of those lumps I was showing you, or in the front, and just add bobby pins all around the sides of the bun to ensure what's the word, that it'll stay in place. I don't even know what to say. Just to make sure it stays in place, because we don't want a loose bun like that. That's why I'm going to add more bobby pins. You just saw that. And as y'all just saw, I added more gel around because I don't like flyaways. I like for my buns to be sleek. But yeah, I'm just adding bobby pins and doing all that good stuff. Now it's time for the really fun part, the baby hairs. So I put gel on my toothbrush, and to start off, I'm literally just brushing the hairs how I want them. I brush them in like a swoop motion, and like right here, see, I just brush them how I want them, and then I use my finger to hold it while I brush backwards. So I brush down and over. Like even right here, see, that's all it is. Super simple. And I just use my finger to help hold it. And yeah, it's really simple. And I do the other things on the other side of my baby hairs, just brush down and over. But when you go over, put your hand on the baby hairs to keep it in place. You don't want it to move around, okay? And like I always say, the little side curlies are completely optional. And if you want to do a little bit more, you could take out the little back curlies and, you know, just have little curlies everywhere, and it'll be extra cute. I didn't do that, but you could if you wanted to. And then like I always say again, I like to set my baby hairs in place with gel. And in the midst of setting my baby hairs, I decided that I wanted to add an extra swoop. So right under the one above it, obviously, I added another one, and I did it in the exact same way. I added gel on my toothbrush, went down, and then swooped it over with my finger holding it in place, and it kind of fades into the little side curly. And that's just super cute as well to me. And I thought that was a good addition to the baby hairs. And you know, I had to add my glasses back on, girl. And after finishing my edges, I was pretty much done. I spritzed my bun with some water to make it look kind of cute. I don't even know the word. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm working with. But y'all know I like to go and finish getting ready, and I'll be back. And here I am being extra, you know, putting on my little lip gloss and everything. But, you know, I went on and put my little choker, my earrings on. And this is the final product. That's how I look for today. I added on a little blue jean type of jacket type of thing. I don't know. And that's the final result. Like, your girl was just super cute. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching my video. And please make sure to like and comment if you like these type of videos, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.